I'm here today with Bryan Kelly. We're selecting some boards for a very extensive house refit in Richmond.
The project itself is taking a 1920s house, stripping it out, knocking a lot of it down and rebuilding it from the ground up.
Bryan has spent a lot of time researching, using our search tool to refine and choose his timber.
We want to make a modern house that feels comfortable and a house that you live in. English Woodlands, one, has spectacular product, but two, let us basically find every piece of wood online with their online tool. The online tool was phenomenal just in terms of going through the entire wood stack. It gives the dimensions of the wood, shows a picture of the wood, and allowed me to kind of pick the different pieces of wood for the project. You've got oak, you've got character, you've got elm, and then you've got some off-piece type wood, you've got some yew. The walnut has been spectacular, so it offers both thickness, lengths, types of wood. So the product span has been great, and we've been able to fit each type of wood to where we want it to be.
We're able to do a socially distanced visit, so Bryan can determine what he wants the machine shop to do with all these lovely boards that he's chosen.
They're actually going to cut the boards the way we want them, if we want them cut, and then plane them to the thickness. Some of it's so, that we're building stairs. We need a universal thickness of all the boards for the staircase. And so we're setting that today, and they'll machine them here and deliver them. So each room that we're building has a specific set of boards. They're going to bundle those boards, they'll send them to the project. Some of the boards they'll send to our builder, because he has his own joinery machine shop. So it's been very user-friendly in terms of doing exactly what we want, and some things that we can't really do, they're actually making them happen. Nick gave me a book called The Soul of a Tree by George Nakashima. I read that, so yeah, it's been kind of a learning experience on my side too.
We're going to follow Bryan's journey from search tool to finished house, so watch this space. We will give further updates as Bryan develops this project. We all can't wait to see what he comes up with.
It's been a phenomenal experience, and when it's done, hopefully it looks as good as we think it will.